Success is often viewed as a clean, upward trajectory of gains. This is a naive assessment. Every architect of high-level performance eventually hits a wall, not because their system is inefficient, but because they have ignored the shadow data within their own psychology. Today, we install the Shadow Integration Protocol to turn your internal conflicts into your greatest assets for long-term growth. The primary error is outcome fixation, where you prioritize external achievements while suppressing the negative traits, fears, and biases that fuel your decisions. When you ignore these shadows, they manifest as self-sabotage, erratic decision-making, and emotional fragility. To scale, you must implement shadow auditing. This is the deliberate process of identifying the traits or past traumas you hide from yourself, bringing them into the light of objective analysis. Next, apply constructive reframing. Once you identify a shadow, be it an insatiable need for validation, a fear of failure, or a volatile temper, you do not try to delete it. That is impossible. Instead, you integrate it as a source of energy. Channel your fear of failure into meticulous risk assessment. Convert your need for control into rigorous systems management. You are not suppressing your darker nature, you are weaponizing it for your mission. Finally, execute the periodic calibration. Your shadows evolve as your success grows. Schedule a monthly system diagnostics session where you audit your recent failures and emotional triggers. By acknowledging your shadows, you prevent them from controlling your subconscious, ensuring that your growth is built on a foundation of self-mastery rather than fragile denial. Stop running from the darker aspects of your ambition. Integrate them. When you own your entire psychology, you build an unstoppable force that cannot be disrupted by external critics or internal doubts. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time. Lead with value, not busywork. This is your protocol for total cognitive control.